Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to add hobbies on Facebook. It should work on your phone as well as iOS device. So I will show the step-by-step process of adding hobbies on Facebook. So let's start it. First of all, you have to go to your Facebook profile. Then you have to click on your profile icon on the left top corner. Then if you scroll down, then you will get the option edit public details. Then if you scroll down, then you will get the hobbies option. From here you have to click on add. Then here you can choose your hobby. Suppose your hobby is bike touring, okay, then you just save it. Then it will add as your bike touring as your hobby. So if you in this way you can add your hobby. Again, if you edit, if this option is your hobby is not available here in the default version, you can search also by cricket. Suppose my hobby is cricket, so cricket my hobby, so I'm adding this one as my hobby. Then if I save it, then both add as my hobby. So in this way you can add hobby on Facebook. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. If this video help you out, leave a like and I will see you on the next one.